Today we're outside, man. We're outside. And we're gonna have fun, we're gonna shoot some content. And yeah, man, this is just a gathering for like all the content creators. We're gonna take it to the top, you understand? Yeah. Talk about we got to here. You need something like when I street food to the banana can. Yes, sir. Yes, guys. You guys are expecting prank videos, blind dates, lifestyle content, and a lot more, and special places. And we're gonna make a poster, and the special places to come for you. You guys have been crying that you want a special place. We're gonna make it happen for you guys, you understand? So yeah, guys, if it's your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Monkey sleep, monkey do, but you game back. And go. So I love anything. I love Yes, I'm out here. I'm with the man. Yeah, can you give us a young drip check? Drip check.
Drip check. Okay, here we start off here.
I saw my wrist.
Yeah, that's like 450.
Yeah.
It's like 250. Yeah. And then it's like this gift I was given from other bro of mine.
Yeah,
and then
what does this say? Does this say banana gang?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Hey,
original
guys,
type shit.
Guys,
type
get
shit.
yours.
Yeah.
Get yours. And then under what do we have?
We got the Coca-Cola t-shirt that I was given by the company. Yeah, we got Nike.
A Nike,
Nike. Yes,
yeah.
Nike.
And then
the Coke here.
Away.
It's here 250.
If Coca-Cola is watching, they should sponsor you.
For real, man.
Yeah.
Coke. Yeah. So, and then I've got my. It's like dance, bro. Like dance.
Away.
It's 450 though.
Away.
Expensive. Yeah.
And then you got the white cocaines.
Yeah.
You understand? Aight. And then this side we have.
Yeah.
Yo, this is Kid YSK.
What's happening?
Yeah, this is my watch, not icy.
Aight.
Legit.
Aight.
Wearing blazer or whatever, I don't give a fuck. Yeah.
A comfortable
sweatpants. These are very cheap in Pep.
Aight.
Store, nigga.
Aight. Make sure to go shop. Make sure to go shop.
Guys, if you got a $500, why should you waste your money going to Markham's and machines, bro?
Yeah.
Pep, nigga.
You get the best drip.
Look.
Check him out.
Then he's on the thing. We have the hemisphere.
Type shit. Aight.
Pep.
Aight.
It's very confusing.
This nigga flexing.
It's left cow.
Aight. Away. Tango guys, that's the drip check. Wait, we have the last guy, drip check. It's not easy. It's not easy. This guy is too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. This guy is too much. It's not easy. It's not easy. And these guys are dying. Yo. Alright guys, make sure you like. Tango. Hey.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse.
Yes, sir. It's your boy Sweet, the one and only. Something sweet on Instagram. Hit that follow button.
Yeah, sir. And last but not least, the cameraman, of course. Lost here. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Day Day. He's back with another lovely one. You know what I'm saying?
Chill.
Yeah? No, come see you now.
But this your boy Kapesa when I came from the hood. Trip check. When I talk about 1,000, and when I talk about this 250 and spec, when I talk about yeah,
No, what is your drip check?
Aviana from South Africa, Brazil. Angola. Hey.
What are they saying?
I don't want to talk too much. Just come close.
What are they saying? Ish.
Retty bad.
Ow. You saw drip check.
Red check. Yeah. Really.
Alright. Excel me also. I want a drip check.
Yeah.
Drip check.
Alright. Airways.
Alright. So yeah guys, anyways, we're waiting for the people to come. So when they come, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, what the setup looks like. And guys, if you're watching this video, please make sure to subscribe. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, dog. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah guys, let's go, let's get it.